Leading Case 48. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, Retd, NRV Union of India ORS. 2018 8 SCR 1 2019 1 SCC 1. In this video we delve into the landmark case of Justice Puttaswamy, a retired judge of the Karnataka High Court, who took on the Indian government in a fight for individual privacy and data protection. The case, which was filed in 2012, challenged the government's Aadhaar program, a biometric identification system that aims to provide a unique ID to all Indian citizens. Justice Puttaswamy argued that the program violated the fundamental right to privacy and posed a threat to individual liberties. The Supreme Court's verdict in 2018 was a landmark judgment that recognized privacy as a fundamental right, but also allowed the government to continue with the Aadhaar program with certain modifications. In this video, we explore the implications of this case and its far-reaching consequences for data privacy in India. From the government's surveillance powers to the risks of data breaches, we examine the complexities of this landmark case and what it means for Indian citizens. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel to view videos like this more. Please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. Introduction. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, Retd, NRV Union of India ORS, 2018, 8 SCR 1, 2019, 1 SCC 1 is a continuation of the landmark judgment recognizing the right to privacy as a fundamental right under the Constitution of India. This particular case, often referred to as the Aadhaar judgment, specifically examined the validity of India's Aadhaar program, a national biometric identity scheme under the new framework of the Right to Privacy Act. The case was brought forth by retired Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, among others, challenging the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar Act 2016. Aadhaar, which requires the collection of biometric and demographic data of residents, was argued to potentially infringe on privacy rights and lead to surveillance. Issues raised. 1. Whether the Aadhaar Act violates the right to privacy and other fundamental rights under the Indian Constitution. 2. The necessity and proportionality of Aadhaar in achieving its intended objectives. 3. The security of data collected under Aadhaar and its implications on privacy. Contention of the parties. Petitioners, Justice K.S. Puttaswamy and others, argued that Aadhaar's mandatory nature and its extensive use for various government services and benefits results in a violation of privacy and could lead to a surveillance state. Respondents, Union of India and others, defended the Aadhaar Act on the grounds of it being a necessary tool for governance and service delivery, particularly in ensuring social and economic rights, combating fraud, and promoting transparency. Critical analysis of the case. This case critically assessed the intersection of technology and privacy, questioning how to balance state interests with individual rights in the digital age. It addressed the broader implications of biometric technologies and data collection on civil liberties. Other judgments discussed in the case and their ratio with citation. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, Retd v. Union of India, 2017. The Supreme Court's earlier decision recognizing the right to privacy laid the groundwork for scrutinizing the Aadhaar Act. It established that any infringement on privacy must meet the standards of legality, necessity, and proportionality. Opinion of judges. The judges opined that while Aadhaar serves a legitimate state aim and can lead to governance benefits, it must not infringe on privacy rights without satisfying strict scrutiny. The majority upheld the Act's constitutionality, but with caveats and directions to safeguard individual rights. Direction. The court issued several directions. Struck down provisions of the Aadhaar Act that allowed commercial entities to use Aadhaar data. Section 57 of the Act, which permitted private entities to demand Aadhaar for services, was declared unconstitutional. Ensured that Aadhaar authentication records are not retained for more than 6 months. Finding of the court. The court generally upheld the Aadhaar Act, but with significant restrictions to protect privacy. It found that while Aadhaar's benefits justify its use, safeguards are essential to protect individuals' data and privacy rights. Final judgment. The judgment upheld the use of Aadhaar for government welfare programs and PAN linkage, but restricted its use for private and commercial purposes, balancing the need for identity verification and the protection of privacy. Conclusion. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy, Retd, NRV Union of India ORS, significantly shapes the legal landscape regarding privacy and data protection in